Yeah. So hey guys, what's up? It's your host Mr. Master, and I'm back with a new video. So hey guys, what's up? It's your host Mr. Master, and today I'm back with a new video like always once again, guys. So basically in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you could create your own WhatsApp stickers. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and just download the latest version of WhatsApp first of all, and then what you need to do is just go ahead and just convert the image to transparent. So if you really don't know how to convert that, watch this. So you can use any app. So for instance, I'm using the Photoshop itself. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your pic with the Photoshop itself, and for faster method, guys, just go ahead and click on this magic tool, guys. So it is really one of my favorite methods. So just click on the outer part, and boom, as you can see, the outer part has already been selected. Just go ahead and select that and just delete that. But sometimes not all the parts are able to select, so that for that, just go ahead and click on the lasso tools or press L, and basically once you're there, just go ahead and select the unwanted part which you really want to delete, and just go ahead and select that and just boom, delete. So yeah, so once you've deleted that, just go ahead and convert the image to the PNG file, and that's it. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and just download this app named as Personal Sticker, guys. I will just put the app link in the description, so just go ahead and just download this app. So yeah, so once you download this app, guys, what you need to do is now just go ahead to your internal storage, and now here just create a new folder. Now let me just name it as LOL, and once you're there, just send this pic to the LOL folder, and also add any of the two PNGs to this folder. So why I'm saying this, because to make a pack you just need 3 pics, so it may show you the error while adding in the app, and once you're over there, it will automatically show you the LOL folder or whatever the ad itself. Now just go ahead and just click on the add button, and once you're there, it will just show you the pics, and just go ahead and click on the add to the WhatsApp. So that's it. Once you're done with that, open your WhatsApp, guys, you will see the new sticker that is here itself. Now just go ahead and tap on that, and boom, you're ready to go. So I hope this video is really helpful, guys, and if yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more. Until then, bye bye, guys. Your host Mr. Master. See you in my next video. Signing out. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice day. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Till then, bye bye, guys. Your host Mr. Master.